Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stream Nintendo Switch on Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the web browser and search for Nintendo Switch in the provided search bar. Then click on the first website as shown here. On the other tab, search for Discord website. Now, reach the Discord website and open your own Discord account. Here, click on your server icon provided on the left side. After that, you will see the Share Your Screen option shown by the monitor icon. Click on it and select the Nintendo Switch tab here. In the next step, hit the Share button and your streaming will get started. Then, you can also use the application browser option to share your screen. Here, you can also enable your microphone and you will be done. So that's basically how you can stream Nintendo Switch on Discord. So, that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.